So, something that I want to talk with you about today, and it's a question that I get all the time, and it's definitely frustrating, and really it takes patients aback a little bit because they're going with all of these really debilitating symptoms to providers. They're getting a full panel of labs, and they're coming back. Usually they'll bring a printout of their labs and they'll say, I was told everything is normal. Why do I feel so terrible? And can you help me even though my labs look fine? So I want to talk about that today, of especially for patients in menopause where they're getting all of these hormone labs, but they're still symptomatic and they're not getting any help. What are your thoughts?
The first question I have, if somebody comes in with that story, is really looking at the labs, but a lot of the time they've had a full spectrum of labs, but there are no hormones there.
Yeah.
Okay, that happens
so true.
quite frequently. But if there are hormones there, and again, are they checking progesterone, testosterone, estrogen, FSH? It depends on which one of those we're looking at, and particularly, it varies very much through a 28-day cycle if the patient's having any cycling at all. If they're postmenopausal and they're on a standard routine estrogen progesterone replacement, it doesn't matter which day they are. But if they are having periods still or having some irregular bleeding, then we really need to know when that is, because normal doesn't mean normal. And the best example of this is that estrogen on the first few days of a menstrual cycle will be a low level of 30, 50 picograms. And then mid-cycle, when they're ovulating, they're 10 times that amount.
Yeah.
And so it's just, you need to know where the patient is on that cycle. And then there are the patient that is on hormone replacement therapy with their primary care physician, and they still get lab work, but they haven't looked at the estrogen again. That's just crazy to me. That wouldn't be done as part of a normal routine if the provider was prescribing the medication. And again, just what is the clinical situation? How old are they? What's happening in their life? What's normal one day is totally abnormal another day.
Yeah, I think you make such a good point. It's what are the normal labs that we're even looking at?
Right.
Is it just a metabolic panel and a complete blood count? Because that's great that those are normal, but that doesn't really tell us a lot about your current situation. And you make a huge point too about when in the cycle were those labs taken. I think another thing that I actually had come up recently is in our perimenopausal patients. I had a patient who was on an oral contraceptive from an outside provider, and she is probably in menopause now, but we don't know because she's been continued on this pill. So I think that's another huge one to think about is, have you been on any birth control recently? And how long has it been? Are you currently on it? Have you stopped it recently? Has it been at least 6 weeks? Can we recheck an FSH now? Yeah, I think it's really unsettling for patients sometimes to have all of these symptoms and feel like they're in the dark about what's going on.
Right.
Yeah.
Just looking at the circumstance around it.
Yeah.
Great. Good question.
Thank you.